Atwal and Cloud Financials. I have completed most of the projects in implementation along with the supporting upgradations and rollouts, and I have done my MBA Finance. Before going to our session, thanks to everyone for joining today as a demo class. So I can confidently say that your people are choosing the best ERP technology. Why means the reasons behind are in the current and future market, we have a lot of openings for cloud consultants at global wide. Why I'm saying like that? The Oracle Corporation given end dates for the old version. So whoever implemented an R12 version, so definitely that customers will update to Oracle Fusion. So if they start updating from Oracle R12 to Fusion, definitely we will get many projects. In this case, we need the many consultants, right? So that's why we have a very good market in current and future also. Okay. So before that, anyone can tell what is ERP? So ERP is like a enterprise resource plan. So by implementing any ERP package, so what customers can achieve? Okay. So like customers can do resource planning and customers can do business operations and processing time is very less and cost effect also very less, which is monetary impact to the project and user friendly and data security wise and like many other options also there by implementing any ERP package, any ERP packages. So in the current market, we have so many different ERPs are there. So everyone knows, right? So Oracle is the one ERP. Okay, Workday is the one ERP, and SAP is the one ERP. So like that, we have a number of ERP are there in the current market. So, but why everyone is saying only Oracle Cloud, Cloud, Cloud? Okay. So before cloud, what happens? For example, if any customer wants to implement project before cloud, so what happened? Then he needs to connect the application through VPN network. Okay. And he has to maintain
Hi,
own
Veera.
servers.
Actually, you are not sharing the screen. Can you?
Yeah, I'm not sharing still. Okay. Let me share
Yeah.
my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry for that. So like that. So what is cloud means actually? Clouds means clouds, right? So you can see the clouds from anywhere. So you can see the cloud from my home. You can see the same cloud from your office, from native place. The same way you can connect a cloud, okay, application from anywhere with the help of internet. So what happened? So for example, so how it will happen because the servers are maintained by virtual network. Okay, so virtual network, they will create the link and by using the link, so you can connect the cloud and all. Okay, cloud applications and all. So what is the fusion? Fusion is a combination of best products, you can say. What is the meaning of fusion? Fusion is the combine. So we are choosing the best combine. So why Oracle Fusion? So for example, Oracle Fusion is the combination of different best solutions in the different ERP products. So let's open my Excel sheet. See, for example, if you're coming to Oracle applications, okay, so what is the ERP? So we have a financials, SCM, HCM, and other. This is the ERP pack, okay, so which is Oracle, SAP, Workday. So each one, again, we have a different offerings and all. So like different products. So again, if you are coming to financials, we have a general ledger, we have accounts payable, we have accounts receivable. And if you are coming to SCM, we have a supply chain management. So like purchasing, inventory, order management, all. So every ERP packages, we have a different products and all. So okay. So for example, if you are coming to ERP, why our cloud will be on that? Okay, so Oracle EBS, if you are coming to Oracle ERP, so what happened? The from VBS side, Oracle Financial is the best product. The same way from PeopleSoft side, the HCM is the best product, and Siebel side for CRM is the product side. Okay, so what happened? The Oracle acquired different ERP products and good enterprise solutions and built a one product called Oracle Fusion application. Okay, so that's why everyone wants to implement Oracle cloud projects. Got it? So every product, every ERP, for example, if you are taking Siebel, so CRM is the one, and JetWorks, procurement is there, and Hyperion, reporting is there. And so every product, so they club into one product, which is our Oracle Cloud. So what are the advantages of this one? So for example, if a customer wants to implement Oracle EBS financials, and if the customer wants to implement any PeopleSoft HCM. So what happened? So if he is went to product wise, then what happened? The ownership is the different. So this product is belongs to Oracle, and this product is belongs to PeopleSoft and all. But so if you are going to go to for Oracle Cloud, so what happened? So integration point of view, okay, integrations. So there is no any required integration from the third parties. For example, if there is no any required third party integration not required from Oracle EBS to PeopleSoft. So and again the project cost effect also. So project costing also will come as a less, and time consumptions to implement any projects. We need the, so you can manage the time consumption by implementing Oracle Cloud and infrastructure also. For example, we are going to implement Oracle EBS and PeopleSoft. So what happened? So we need to provide the infrastructure for each ERP products. So this one also very less than that. So because the single one. So Oracle is the single one. And this was planning also. For example, if you want to implement any Oracle these products separately, then so each product we have to hire the consultants, right? So if you are going to Oracle, so definitely we will get the Oracle consultants. Maybe it may be financial consultant, or it may be SCM consultant, and it may be SCM consultant according to business requirement and all. Okay, okay, is it fine? So everyone is following, or okay? So while choosing this course, so what happened? So our course is what? So our course is a Oracle Financial Functional. Okay. By completing this course, you can get a Oracle Cloud Financial Consultant job. Okay. If any project customer wants to implement project, so then we need a different consultants, different roles, like financial consultant, who knows the financials and who knows the SCM and who knows the project. And for technical consultant, who knows the SQL, PLSQL, and who knows the forms, reports, and etc. And DBA consultant. To maintain the database activities, we need the DBA consultants also. So these are the basic job requirement to implement any project. Okay. But if you are coming to technical consultant, okay, in the cloud market, okay, cloud project requirement, very limited jobs are there because of the cloud architecture now. And if you are coming to DBA consultant, okay, this is also very limited jobs are there because the servers are maintained by Oracle, and previously the servers are maintained by customers. Now it's maintained by Oracle. So in this case, what happens? So if you want to implement any project, we are not required any DBA consultant. Okay. But if you are coming to functional consultant point of view, okay, so we have a lot of openings. So because the because of the finance and all. So what are the applications? Okay, so normally the designation start like a technical associate. So if the, any project is if you are coming to functional consultant, initially if you are joined as a fresher, so you are a technical associate, then you can become a associate functional consultant, then functional consultant, and then lead consultant and project manager, then solution architecture. So like that roles are there in the any project. Okay. If I talk about at least job which is not part of your implementation or support project, still you can work as a end user. Okay, so we are doing the implementation project now, but in worst cases maybe the student not achieve the correct subject or whatever. So in this case he can work as an end user also, because the same product can use after implementing the project, right? So we can end the, but our role is a financial functional consultant. Okay, so if you are going to any real-time projects, what happens? So we have a different implementations. Okay, for example, financial implementation, SCM implementation, like this. For each financial, so we need a financial consultant. For SCM, we need the SCM consultant. Okay, apart from that, so there are different phases are there. So for example, if you're taking any implementation project, okay, so they need to capture the requirement from the customer. Okay, so to capture the requirement from the customer, maybe he can go to on-site also, because customer is staying in on-site. So directly the consultant who is the functional consultant, he can go and he will capture all the requirements. So like what is the your enterprise structure, what is the chart of accounts, what are the list of values, okay, what is the legal entities addresses, and how many ledgers do you need. So these are all the information, so we can, each functional consultant capture by in onset also. At the same time offshore also you can capture that. That is different one. So what I'm trying to say here, the functional consultant can get more opportunities with the on-site and offshore. Okay, the functional consultants will get more opportunities in on-site and offshore. So that's what I'm telling. So, but if you're a technical consultant, so maybe very less people. Very, for example, if you're taking any one project, so the team size is 10 members. Okay, in this, definitely we have a minimum project. One financial consultant will be there, and one SCM consultant will be there. Okay, and technical also there. So, but requirement gathering and all, only functional consultant will go. Okay, and if you are a techno functional, that is again different. Okay, is it fine? So that's what I'm telling. So career wise, so maybe many people will think about, okay, how to what is my job role, and what is the current market, and what is the future market. So that's what I'm telling. So no need to worry about the technology. Oracle Cloud will survey in next 20 to 30 years. Maybe by that time almost you will get retirement also. So only you need to do update. Okay. So for example, Oracle Cloud version, every quarter they will release one version. So maybe very small changes, very minor changes. Okay. So if anything, if there are big changes also, you have to update from yourself, so that you can survey next 10 to 30 years. So I started my career in 11 years. So after that R12 came. So now Fusion and again Cloud they're telling. Okay. What is the difference between Fusion and Cloud? We'll see later. Okay. So most of the projects are going to Cloud only, not Fusion nowadays. Okay, very small change is there. So Fusion is and Cloud difference is very small one. So normally servers are maintained by Oracle. Okay, if the servers on the premises and it is there, so we'll see later. That one we'll see later. Okay. So what is Oracle Cloud? Normally the physical servers, okay, maintained by Oracle premises, and Oracle create the virtual server with the link, and then the customer can access the server through the internet. He can access that link from anywhere. Even he can access from the mobile also. It's like a one application. So for example, if we are coming to Oracle Financials, okay, so Oracle Financials, we have different applications. What are that? So like general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management. So these are the applications I can say. So each applications we can access. So how can you access? How to get the access for that? Or how to get the implementation applications to implement any application like GL, APA, or FA. So for that, client has to bear only subscription cost with the Oracle Corporation. Once you got the subscription from the Oracle Corporation, then you can implement. Okay, you can implement the project, and after that it will go to supporting. At the same time, end user also. Okay. So what is the difference between implementation consultant and supporting consultant? Okay. And business end user. Okay. Today, just I am talking about all normal discussions. One, okay. Now, I'm not talking about any product, and I'm not talking about cloud and all. So, for example, I'm not talking about cloud structure and all. So, just we will see what is the ERP, how the market is going on. So, how can you achieve this one? So, everyone have one target. So, to get the consultant job. Okay. So, what I'm trying to say now, for example, to get the access we need the subscription. Okay, so once you got the subscription, so what happens? So everything is finalized from the customer side. So we want to implement our financial project. So in this case, what we need a functional consultant for financial. Okay. So once the project is completed, so what happens? Once the project is completed, again in the project, so we have different phase and documents and testing is there and subscribe and setups are there. Everything is finalized. Then we will, once the project is implemented, then supporting consultant will come into picture. Okay. So here implementation consultant is the different and supporting is the different. So that's why some people while working in any ERP package, okay, maybe Oracle or Workday, whatever. Okay, so we have a, which project are you working? Is it implementation project or is it supporting project? So they will ask. So what is the difference between implementation and supporting? After implementation, after go live happen, and once start the customer using the product, then supporting consultant will come into picture. Okay, what supporting consultant will do? So he will normally supporting will, so if a user facing any issue while creating any supplier, while creating any customer, and while posting the journal entry, then what happens? So he can raise the ticket. Okay, he can raise the ticket to the supporting team. So according to that, then supporting consultant will fix the issue. Okay. So after that, again, user can process the transactions and all. The same way. So like closing, while doing any closing process. Okay. So then what happened? So maybe closing time will face the many issues. So they will not raise the any issue with the implementation because implementation consultant job over. So he left from the project. So now role is the supporting. Okay. So he can raise the ticket again to the supporting consultant. Okay. At the same time, so at the same time, maybe he has to raise some service request to the Oracle. Okay, so if the he's unable to resolve the issue due to some technical issue, so he unable to find the issue. So in this case, also we can check with the Oracle team, and he can read that. So these are the job roles. Okay, supporting consultant will do that. Okay, and implementation like what happens? So he will create the documentations based on the requirement, and he will do the setup configuration. Okay, and he will do the testing, and testing also
Yeah,
post.
Veera, you just deny that someone is asking for the recording. Participants will share the recording. You need not to record. Okay. You request, no, don't give the request.
Okay,
Deny
okay.
that,
Sorry.
or else you remove that participant.
Okay. Okay, so that is the main difference between implementation consultant and supporting. Okay, so if any project having a implementation consultant and supporting project, and what is the rollouts? So rollouts is like a version updates and all you can say. So but if you are coming to cloud and also the Oracle will take care. Okay. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So if you're coming to cloud model, so this is just an overview of the Oracle ERP. So what is the final summarize? So we have ERP, so we have a different ERP products, Oracle, SAP, Workday, and each ERP product we have a different products, and each product we have a different applications. That's fine. And we have a different versions also. So this is for which is old version, so 11a, R12 Fusion and cloud. So 11 is which is old version, R12 is the next one, and cloud is the now latest one. So and again, if we are coming to application point of view, the same applications we are at. So financials, HCM, HRMS, everything is there. And middleware, so middleware is the connecting the application. So once you enter the data in the application, what happen? It will save somewhere, so it will show store into database. So here to connecting the application, which is our front end application. So we need the uh, system administrators to create the users and okay passwords and forms reports and all. So we'll see this one. This completely structure is a change in the cloud structure. So we'll see at the time of cloud. So what is the what is the functional consultant? So functional consultant can do the setups and all. So which setups? For example, if he is a financial functional consultant and general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, etc. If he belongs to supply chain management consultant, purchasing product is nothing but our inventory and order management and all. And we have a project accounting, which is portfolio management in cloud. So like project costing setups and all. Okay, so like so by combining the products in ERP with the Oracle, what is this? So they acquired all the companies from different ERP and they make it as a one. So what is the advantages are? So no need to do any integrations and project cost effect and time consumption and infrastructure and resource planning and single owner. So these all are the advantages of the this product. So why I need to choose this work product? So you can say these are the points. So most of the interest they will ask why I need to go for Oracle ERP. So I have a Workday also. I have a SAP also. But still why I'm going to Oracle ERP? So because in the current market we have a lot of openings. We have a lot of customers in the Oracle financials. Okay. So because in the EBS. So that's why the financials is very major role in the current market. So now the major role is occupied by Oracle Cloud. Everyone is saying cloud, cloud. So that's what I'm telling. Confidently, once you start the learn Oracle clouds, definitely will get the job. So we have to put the target maybe 3 months, 6 months, whatever. So it depends on you capability. Okay. Once you got the capability, and here the main thing is just not learning. So not learning. Just try to understand the product. So if you are trying to understand the product, definitely you can achieve your goal very fast. For example, if you go to financials, now I'm going to create the journal entries. Why I'm going to create the journal entries? So to create the journal entries, we need a ledger, we need a chart of accounts. Why I need to create the courses? Okay, why I need to create the calendar? Why I need to create the accounting method? Why I need to create the chart of accounts? So you have to understand the product. Okay, just to not like that. For example, I will tell to go to this navigation, this go to this task list and go to create calendar. Then you will create the calendar. That is not the way to practice. Okay, so once you start the understanding the product, then in the future what happens, so if you are go to any ERP package, not only Oracle, for example, after 20 years there is one more product. So okay, so there is one more ERP came into market. So the fundamentals are same. Debit is the same, credit is the same, supplier is the same, customer is the same. So there is no process wise, there is no any difference in process wise. Only difference in is just navigations or form loop or whatever functional point of view process way. But fundamentals are same. That's what I'm telling. So you have to understand the product. Okay. So once you start the understanding the product, so it's very good for you. Okay. So now I'm coming to cloud models. Okay. So
हेलो.
yeah,
हाँ
someone
भैया.
1 minute. So who's
सिर्फ
talking?
हमारी नहीं आ रही, सबकी नहीं आ रही.
Uh, can you someone talking? Can
अच्छा,
with this guy?
ठीक, मैं चेक करता हूँ भैया. मैं check-
Yeah. So now I'm coming to Oracle Cloud. So if you're coming to Oracle Fusion Financials and Oracle Cloud Financials, what happens? So if the customer wants to implement any project on the financial fusion project, so if he wants to implement on the premises means servers will maintained by Oracle. Servers will maintained by customer only. Okay. So in this case, we can treat as a Oracle Fusion Financials. Normally, if you see any requirement, sometimes if you see Naukri, so maybe you will get confused. Some people they will tell we need Oracle Fusion Financial Consultant. Some people they will tell you we need Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. What is the difference between that? Application point of view, there is no any difference. Okay, application point of view. What is the application? General is the application, AP is the application, AR is the So application point of view, as a functional consultant for financial, so there is no any difference. You can apply for your Fusion Financials or Cloud Financials also same. But environment size, we have a difference on that. Okay. For example, if the customer wants to implement Fusion Financials, okay, then what happens? So he has to do investment for the license. Okay. If the customer wants to implement on cloud wise, then he has to take a subscription, not investment. He can subscribe that product. Okay, that is that. And customers maintained by own servers and patches. So because the servers, Oracle servers and all maintained by customer, here it is maintained by Oracle. Okay, and database centers, hardware, disasters, everything has to provided by customer only. So he has to maintain. But here not required. Everything is updated, taken care by Oracle on cloud side. Okay, and automatically upgrade. For example, every quarter we got the upgrade, right? So for example, next quarter we got the new upgrade. So customer has to take consultant with the Oracle support team, and they will provide some patches and all. Then DBA consultant will do the all the activities to apply and all. But if you are coming to on cloud wise, okay, if you are taking as a cloud, so no need to worry about this. Everything automatically it will upgrade on that. Okay, so that's what maintenance will take care by Oracle here. Simple definition on the premises. So they are maintaining servers on the premises, and they has to taking care. They are the customer is the owner. So here Oracle is the owner. So who is the Oracle? Our vendor. So okay, Oracle is the owner, and automatical upgradations and everything maintenance will taken care by Oracle. And standard security. So security wise also we need to check. For example, database and also will maintain by DBA consultant sites from Oracle side. So which is their product. So everything is there. And same versions and also maintain will take care by Oracle. So this is the small difference between on-premises and on-cloud. If any project is implemented on premises, then what happened? So people will tell Oracle Fusion Financial Consultant. If the project is implemented on cloud, then people will tell we need a Oracle Fusion Cloud Financial. But application point of view, like setup configurations, okay, and process wise, transaction process wise, and documentation wise, there is no any difference for the Oracle Financial Functional Consultant. Not only financial, SCM consultant and any functional consultant. Is it fine? Okay.
So Fusion, Oracle Fusion is a SaaS model, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That one will come later. So that is like we can call it as a cloud-based software delivery models. We have different delivery models to implement the project. Okay. So by selecting once the customer by selecting the implement of any project, so we have different models. Okay. That will come later. So this is I'm talking about in environment. So which environment? On premises or on cloud? So this is the one. So again, model is the different. Delivery model is the different. Okay. And now what happens? So now everything is ready. So now I want to take my project as on cloud. That's fine. Okay. So everything. So I got a subscription for financials. Okay. So now which model I want to take it. So we have a different models are there. One is the SaaS, which is as a software as a services. Software as a services, and PaaS, platform as a services, and infrastructure as a services. Okay, so by selecting our delivery model as a SaaS, okay, so what happened? You can do the configuration. You can do the all the configurations. There is no any issue on that. And customized reports also you can do that. Okay, small reports. For example, I want to create small report with my trial balance as per my customer requirement. I can small report, I can do the customizations. And third party integrations. What is the third party? For example, I'm using the Oracle Cloud Financials. Maybe after some time, so I want to integrate my payroll to some other systems. So in this case, what happens? The payroll system is maintained by the third party system, but I want to import my that payroll journals to Oracle Cloud. So in this case, we have to do the integrations. Okay, third party integration. So that one also you can do in the SaaS model, and all managed by Oracle. So what are the upgradations and all will maintain. No need to maintain any from the customer side. Okay, so here what we cannot do. So customizations of application level. For example, I want to customize my application. For example, I want to create new form with the different fields and all. So cannot do. And customize the functionalities. For example, we are going to do some functionality as per your business requirement. So we cannot do in that in the source models. So most, I'm telling, most of the projects are going to implement on the source model. So if you are taking any company, so most of the product they are taking as a source model. Okay, and very simple. So for example, if you are taking any SaaS model, so they will give the subscription for your financials and you can do all the activities. Okay, so this is the SaaS model. And if you are taking as a platform as a services, see platform as a services, then you can do the some customizations like rise components and etc. And the applications are maintained by customers. Here we can do the customization of your applications and customized reports. Anyway, these points will come. Okay, so customer third party integrations and what customized. So here, for example, if you want to maintain your servers and you want to increase the database and all, okay, memory size, and you want to change the servers infrastructure environment and all, we cannot do that. Okay, so this is the one. So these are the disadvantages of this one. Okay, so but most of the projects they no need to change any application functionality because Oracle functionality is a very beautiful functionality. Okay, so you can use that. So very beautiful functionality. Who got the experience in Artwell, so they knows, right? So they knows what is the Oracle Artwell in. So based on that, so very beautiful. And if you are coming to ICE model, infrastructure means completely this one database also changes. Okay, so database application security everything is managed by customer and memory capabilities and in infrastructure environment, and customer can build a own application also. He can build a own application as per their requirement. So if you have any requirement from the customer like this, then you can create the infrastructure as a services. So that's what I'm telling. So here also there is one main point here, application point of view. If you are coming to our financial application point of view, all applications, okay, setups and Oracle functionalities are the same. For example, I'm taking SaaS model is the, so I have to create the ledger, I have to create the chart of accounts, everything is same. If I'm taking platform as services, also same. But if you do any own customization, own application, so maybe it may be different, but still I can do my seeded application setups, right? So that's what I'm telling. So this is the main difference between your SaaS and PaaS and IaaS. Okay, so these are the differences. So right now, which one? So most of the projects are as a software only, software as a services only. And auto upgradation, if you are coming to auto upgradation for each quarter wise, okay, so they will do quarter wise. So like first quarter they will treat as a some 1.0 a 1.0 b, like this they will release. Okay, so auto upgradations are done by Oracle only. So depends on your models. For example, so if you are taking a source, automatically upgradations will happen in the source model, so no need to worry application point of view also. So that's what I'm telling. So if we're taking source model, so we'll get the application access and security wise, database wise, and like operating systems and everything is fine. So okay. So it's completely depends on the customer requirement, which model he wants to select. Okay, is it fine? And if we're coming to cloud architecture, so if we're coming to cloud architecture, Oracle Fusion applications, which is our front end applications like financials, SCM and all. And if you're coming to middleware, so it's like a IDM and all, identity manager, okay, this one, and APM and universal content manager as well and all. So we'll see tomorrow. So this is part of our class. So tomorrow we'll continue this sheet again. Okay, so just now I'm a brief discussion about source model only. Okay, so this is the way you can teach the class. Okay, so every day I will give this Excel sheet so to get that. So now what happens? So what are the course curriculum? I'm coming to course curriculum. So what are the applications were there? So Oracle Fusion Ledger and accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management, and Fusion expenses and all. So let's open our course curriculum now. So these are the applications: Oracle General Ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management. So these are the applications. Okay, table of contents are the application. Apart from that, so we can cover the PTP cycle. Okay, procure to pay. So which start from requisition and which ends from reconciliation in the cash management, and all the interest will transfer to GL, and OTC cycle and AGS, Advanced Global Intercompany System. Okay. So for example, if the company belongs to invoices belongs to one company and payment belongs to another company, then we can call it as intercompany or intracompany. Again, that is different on that. Okay. Rapid implementations. So we have different types of implementations. Okay, so rapid implementation and manual implementation. So, and how to do the data conversions for suppliers and all. So, and other topics also, how to define the enterprise structure. Okay, data imports, exports, everything. So by using Oracle General Ledger, what can we do? So for entering journals and all. For example, if you want to enter journal, you can reverse the journal and you can post the journal. So while posting the journal, what happened? It will update the tile balances. Then you can run the tile balances in the GL. Okay, so if you're not posting the journal, what happened? It will not update the tile balances. So reports also you can run. So for if you're coming to accounts payable, so you can do the AP invoices, like list of invoices, and you can create a use the suppliers and AP payments. Okay, and while coming to AR, so you can same way you can create the customer invoices, and here you can create the receipts and all. Okay, and if you are coming to cash management, you can create the bank accounts, reconciliations. Listen, it may be manual reconciliation or auto reconciliation. So it depends on your requirement again. So like this, we can do that. So like that. So if you are coming to fixed assets, so again you can add the assets and you can maintain the assets. You can run the depreciations and you can retain the assets. So these all applications are belongs to different activities. So and if you are coming to Oracle Fusion expenses, it's not nothing but your employee expenditure. So how to handle your employee expenditure? So you can handle by Fusion expenses and all. So this is a Oracle Fusion taxes. For every transactions we have a taxes, right? So maybe tax is mandatory or not mandatory. That again, that is different one. So if you have any tax requirement for your organization, so then you can definitely you can. So we will see end-to-end setups. So now we will see all the setups. Okay, what are the setups out there? We can see that, and this is fine. So order management and purchasing, all related to purchasing, raising requisitions, RFQs, quotations. Okay, and quotation analysis, making PO receipts, and all the activities will happen in the purchasing, which is the part of SCM consultant. So our main role is the Oracle financial consultant. So which modules are included, which applications are included? General ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management. But if you are coming to fusion purchasing, it is part of Oracle SCM consultant. Still we can cover. So we'll see the end-to-end process, how to raise the requisition, what are the setups we required to process the PTP. So like how to create the inventory organizations, how to create the items. Okay, how to create the business units, what is our enterprise structure. Okay, and how to assign the items, everything we'll see in the purchasing. So is what as part of PTP cycle. If you are coming to product management, it's nothing but our inventory. So here what we'll do, so all related to your inventory activities, you can see that. Okay, so order management, how to raise the sales order, and also you can see that. So this is completely, see, the PTP cycle is belongs to different products. For example, it will start from creating item, okay, and creating inventory organizations and creating purchase orders, and it will come to AP, and AP to again it will go to payments, and again payments to cash management, and cash management finally transfer to GL. So these are different applications, okay, which is part of our PTP cycle. The same way order to cash. Okay, so this is the order management, and receivables will come into picture. Okay, this is fine. So apart from that, we can cover all this one. So third party applications, invoice imaging and all. So okay, so this is our topics actually. So each application wise, what are the topics are there? So we can go. So at the same time, for example, I am today I'm discussing about chart of accounts. So maybe I can explain the how to create the chart of accounts. Maybe would people go to create chart of accounts with the help of navigation and all. So I don't want to see that. So we'll give the Excel sheet for you. So for example, this is the chart of accounts. So what is the use of chart of accounts? So we'll give the some diagram. So what is the enterprise structure? What is the segment? So we'll maintain like. So by using this template, what happens? So by seeing only you can get the understanding of it. So this is my chart of accounts. This is my segments, and this is my primary ledger. This is my, so this is the way you can go to. So for example, I am going to create the chart of accounts. Why I need to create the chart of accounts? Why I need to create? So without, so if I am not creating any chart of accounts, then what happens? Then what happens? So you have to go to fundamental works. So for example, if you are trying to create any manual accounting entry, who is belongs to who knows debit and credit. So for example, you are going to manual journal entry. What happened? You are entering a date, and you have to enter the particular which is your debit account and credit account, and what is the debit amount and where is the credit amount, and the amount is belongs to which currency, right? So here simple chart of accounts is nothing but forces. Here date is the calendar, your currency is the currency INR is the currency, and your accounts, list of accounts like salary account, cash account, these are nothing but your chart of accounts. And every accounting entry, maybe they will maintain your own accounting method. Apart from that, we have a standard accounting method, and standard cash and standard accrual, right? So that's what I'm telling. So why we need to create the chart of accounts? To enter any journal entry, these are the mandatory parameters, right? So these are mandatory. So that's why we are going to create the chart of accounts. This is the way we can go there. Okay. So after creating chart of accounts, again we'll go for ledgers and all. So the same way. So the will go the same like this. For example, you are going to create the invoice structure. So what is the invoice structure and all, we'll see that. Implementation and all, we'll see that. So that's what I'm telling. So everything will covered by in this Excel only. So after the session, after the class over, so we'll provide this to the by training department people, so that you can easily understand that. Okay, so today just I'm giving short description on that. Okay, not I'm going to any concept wise. Okay, for example, we have some IDM applications also. If you are coming to different IDM applications also. Okay. So for example, apart from Fusion applications, we have different. Okay. So we'll go and see tomorrow. What are the types of users and everything we'll see that. So for example, if you are coming to identity manager, okay, what is the part? So we can create and manage the users. To create any user, so we need to log into identity manager. Okay, so this is the purpose of the identity manager. For example, authorization policy manager. So what is that? So authorization policy manager is nothing but we can create and maintain the roles and role templates in the authorization. So what is the role and what is the role template, we will see while creating, while entering the setups in the instance. And next one is the BPM, like business process management. So like we can set up the approval. So for example, we need a approval hierarchy for every invoice, or we need the approval hierarchy for our journal entries. In this case, we need to go to VPM process, which is our business process management. And this is the universal content managers, okay, which is the data representative. So we can see all this one. And so our service oriented architecture. What happens if we are going to do any third party integration? So definitely we have to use this product. Okay, so like business process execution language. This is like is SQL actually. So normally many people know SQL in business school. So the same Oracle also using the different S-based database. Okay, so by using this one, so you can use the business process execution language. So these all we'll see at the time of setup and all. Okay, yeah. So anyone can have any doubt about course structure. So actually the course will duration is the 60 days. Sorry, 60 hours, and daily will take as 1.5 hour. Okay, and timings are the 8:30 to start. It will start from the 8:30. So we'll see. So maximum will cost 1.5 hour only. Okay, and it is a mandatory
8:30
Excuse me, I have a
p.m.
question. Sorry.
8:30
Yeah,
p.m.
please.
right?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Do you have any morning classes?
Right now we have a morning classes also. Just you can check with the training department, so they can help you.
Okay. And do you have any accelerated courses?
Just 1 minute, one by one.
Sorry.
Yeah, please.
Do you have any accelerated courses? Like, for people who are experienced on EPS already, like, they may not want to go through the 2 months course. Do you have any accelerated courses to expedite
So which is our fast tracking?
Delta
So
training?
maybe the training department conducted weekend, I think so. Okay, just you can check with the training department.
Okay.
But my
How to
suggestion
reach the training department? I have been calling the number on your website. Nobody is responding. The phone number.
Yeah, Daipan, you
Yeah.
can connect us, our team. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
yeah. So, but my suggestion is go to Fusion. Okay, so you know auto experience. There's a very good advantage actually. But still, you can go this class also as ever come. Okay, no issue on that. Yeah. Next one. Anyone?
So my question is on the course. Actually, I'm audible.
Yeah. I'm yes.
Okay. So initially you told that there is a good future and all coming 20, 30 years and all. Right. So currently we are seeing that AI is taking over so many things, right? So in
Yeah,
that
that's
perspective,
correct. That's
how
correct.
do you
So,
see the
yeah,
future?
so AI is not help to Oracle ERP as per my understanding. Okay, configuration point of view, implementation project point of view. As of now, so there
Mhm.
is no any scope in AI with the Oracle Cloud implementations. So maybe you can search it in Google. So you can also get it. No issue.
Okay,
So there
okay,
is no any scope in AI here.
okay. So my last question is
As
related.
per my understanding, maybe in
Yeah.
future we will get. I don't know. So in the
Okay.
current market, there is no any scope for AI.
You don't see anything such like in the near
Right.
future.
Right.
Okay,
Exactly.
okay,
So
okay,
the same question we came to in our company also. Hire people also. So is
Mm-hmm,
it any? So but as of now, we will not find anything in AI.
mm-hmm. Got you, got you. And my one last question regarding the opportunities. So, if I want to plan any abroad opportunity like in Middle East or Western countries, so what are the success rate and what are the chances that we can get after completion of this course of these 2 months
Yeah.
and we'll
Yeah.
get
That's what I'm telling. So for example, if you are comparing with any software, okay, if you are
mm-hmm,
comparing with any software, so you will
mm-hmm,
get the best opportunities
mm-hmm,
because the Oracle product itself global
mm-hmm.
wide. Okay,
Right,
so all the countries are implementing same applications. It's not as specific to country wise, right? So
agree. Yeah.
anywhere you can get the opportunity. At the same time, financial functional consultant role.
Mm-hmm.
So they have many opportunities to go the customer because functional consultant always with the customers only.
Correct. Yep.
So
Mm-hmm.
to yeah, so that's why you will get the many opportunities. Just you can check it in Google. So how many opportunities are there in the world? Well, so you can understand that.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So
So,
right now market is very demand. I'm telling. So
okay.
and still the artwell is running. Still we
Mm-hmm.
have so many lot of openings in cloud. So
Okay.
maybe next 5-10 years, maybe a very big demand in the Oracle
Okay,
finance.
okay. So what sort of support that we can get from ERP tree after completion of this course? Yeah.
Yeah, Fayaz, you can connect
So
with us. We'll discuss
yeah,
directly. Okay.
yeah. So fine.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
the next one.
one question I have is, will you be helping us with the certification exams also, like
Definitely,
providing us some
definitely, hundred
guidance?
percent they will help on that. But what I'm trying to say, without certification also, you can get the job. So there is no any mandatory to do the certification. For example, if you are go to Workday, so there is a one more ERP package called Workday. So if you want to implement any project Workday, so definitely they need a certification. But if you are coming to Oracle point of view, there is no any certification. Still, the training department will provide the certification guidance and all. So you can check with the training department. Okay, is it fine? The next one.
Hello, Revati here. I have joined the session little late. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, okay. So I just want to ask you, like, after joining the session, how about the hands-on experience? Do we get access on the cloud environment, and do we able to do a hands-on experience about all the topics which you are teaching?
Yeah, that is the main actually. Why you are choosing this institute only? Why? Maybe you came to know why you are choosing the Oracle, but why you are choosing this institute only? Because they will give the good servers and all. Okay, so instance access they will give. The instance also very good. Okay, and good training, and they will give the resume preparations and all. So everything will take in care by Oracle. Sorry, our
What's the duration we get to have access for the cloud? I mean, how many days the validity will be to have access
that
on the
one
cloud
I
environment?
know. So our training session 60 hours they will give. So if you want more, so definitely they will give that. So there is no any problem on that. So you can check with the training
Yeah,
department.
1 second. Yeah,
Instance
Revati,
wise, no issue on that.
1 second, 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, ERP
Yeah.
tree, team over here. Actually, the
Okay.
duration will be 2 months, this live training, but we can give 3 months, even 1 or 2 more months, even extend also. Okay, we can discuss directly those things.
Okay. So how to reach you? Because when we try to reach the number that is available
Yeah,
in the
you can
website,
connect
right?
us
We are not.
966 183 940, like even other number
If
also there.
possible, could you please give that number in the chat so that I could able to note that?
Yes, yes. Okay, yeah.
So my final suggestion is institute wise and course wise, no need to worry, no need to think. Okay, just you can continue. So who suggested this course? I don't know. So you are in right way and you are in right time.
Can I have one question?
Yeah, please.
Regarding the instance, with some another institute, I have taken some Oracle courses and I
Yeah,
found
maybe
out that
due to some
the
refresh they will do
yeah,
weekly, right?
yeah.
Yeah, and you
So
will
so
get
the
the so many
instance is not
errors.
up to
They
the
again they will
standard.
refresh. It
Yeah,
will
it's
not
slow
happen
also.
here. So it will not happen here. So all experts are there. Okay, so they will take care. So if anything
Yeah.
is there like that, so we'll let you know. So we'll resolve that issue. No issue on that. So that's what I'm telling.
Okay.
So there is no bother about institutes. Maybe instance wise and classes wise or material wise
So
to
instance will be
get
given
the
for 2 months, right?
yeah, definitely.
Okay.
So, what sort of job support or interview support that we will get after completion of this course?
Yeah, this is the demo for part of our course. So they have one more session. Okay, so after completing the course, so project also what is the real time projects and they will take care. So there is a one more classes for that. So you can check with the training department. So they can help you on that.
Yeah, thank you.
So product wise, I can tell you. So and the project also while doing configuration and all, so I can explain all the real time examples one. Okay, so not
Oh,
not like that.
okay.
So 80% knowledge, product knowledge, and the project knowledge you can get here on. So remaining still, if you want to do that, you can go there. So that's what after completing the course, so you have to get the confidence to get the job. That is our goal. So from my side, so from your side, what we need to do? So you have to spend at least 2 hours every day. Okay.
Okay.
But many students I know they will tell the regions. So the regions not make success, right? So without regions, you can just target 1 3 to 6 months. Okay, it depends on again capability for each person, right? So definitely your life will be very smooth. So no need to again change the technology. Okay, so we can continue the same technology and same work, routine work and also. For example, every day I'm creating chart of accounts, the same routine work. Okay, the worst cases, so if you are going to very worst cases, I can say, so you can join as an end user. So nowadays, what happened, many consultants who are in 60 plus and all, okay, so who got retired, so they are joined as the end users also, okay. Some because of the work pressure and all, so maybe they are able to face. Then you can join as an end user also. So end user part is like processing invoices, creating supplies. This is the way. So very small bit role is there. So you can go there that one. But we're not targeting. Just I'm explaining to you. So we have it. That's what. Okay. So our role is a functional consultant only. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Anyone from anyone?
Will you be covering the the fusion tax module in detail?
Yeah, definitely. So definitely we'll cover the fusion taxes. You can able to see the course content also. Yeah,
Okay.
100% will cover. So there is no any issue.
Can you
So
please share
see,
the
if you're
number where
coming
we
to
can reach
if
you?
you're coming to
Yeah.
purchasing, order management and all, so I can cover up to process. For example, I'm going to process my PTP cycle, then I can show you the PTP cycle, not only process. I can show you the setups also. What are the setups we need to do? Everything I can show you. But here I cannot completely go. So what are the mandatory setups are there and what setups we need to PTP, we will go there. So but if you're coming to fusion taxes and also we'll go for all the setups. There is no issue on that because that is also part of our financials. But
Got
if
it.
you're
Got it.
coming to PPT purchasing and all, it's part of our SCM. Okay, so we need
Okay.
the understanding, but not
Yeah.
good knowledge. Oh, sorry, good knowledge we need, but not deep deep knowledge. Yeah, next
Can you
one.
please share the phone number that you talked about? Can you please share the phone number in the chat?
Yeah, so yeah, we can share that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyone?
type in 1 second, 1 second. You just check from your end, like through email or WhatsApp number, from whom you got this meeting link. Just contact them only, okay? Our team only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
that's it
Thank you.
for everyone. Yeah.
Anyone can? Any questions? So what about practice? While creating your setup and all, so maybe you are facing some issue. Okay. Then next class we will see that. No issue on that. Okay. Just you can note the issue and you can let me know so I can you can share your screen and I can do that. No issue on after class. Okay. So that is the way we can handle practical also. So all most of the topics are covered. Apart from that, so if you want to more, so maybe I am 100% sure. So all the topics are covered. So if anything is missing, okay, just we can add it. No issue. There is no any big deal on that. Okay. Anyone from any questions? Anyone from what is the education qualifications we require? So simple English, if you know, that's enough. And if you know what is debit and what is credit, so if you know, just that's enough. Okay, so there is no any coding not required. Okay, for financial functional consultant. Okay, no coding not required. And the current market, we have a lot of openings for 3+ years also. Okay, 3+ and 4+. See, depends on you. So, for example, you are experienced candidate, so definitely so we will put it some alternative ways so that will help on training and all. So we'll see later that not issue. So maybe many people think so about experience and what about packages. So packages are very very high where for example you have 4 years experience and again it depends on your educational qualification also. Okay, but packages are very high. So see the designations will like I told, right? So functional consultant, lead consultants, and project manager and solution architectures depends on your designation also they will offer the and depends on the project size and depends on your company. So like that I'm telling. Okay, so especially US market, so many people who have got the H1, so they are going to cloud projects only. Many people are on working on cloud projects only. Okay, and US market is very good. If you go to anywhere in the global, so you will get that job. So there is no any issue on that side. So that's what I'm telling. Product wise, I'm 100% sure. Okay, so career wise, so that is up to you. So if you are doing practice every day, so if you are reading every document, each and every document, so then definitely you will become a good functional consultant to the organization. Okay. So, but just coming and going, listening and going is not correct one. So we cannot do anything. Okay, the next one. So anyone can have any questions. So who can do what is the qualifications. BCom people can do, MBA people can do, BTech also. So most of the companies they are going to campus recruitment and they're taking BTech freshers and all. At the same time, CA consultant, chartered accounts also there. So okay, any commerce background or non-commerce background also can do. It's not a specific to any educational. Okay, so educational wise that one. And anyone?
I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So while practicing, if we get any doubts, how do we contact you?
Doubt means see while doing any configuration point of view, so you are facing some issue. So next day class I can explain that. No issue on that. So it's not a. So next day we can see that. So no issue on that.
Okay.
So we need more mistakes. And again, what I'm trying to say, we need the more mistakes. So for example, I will tell, so go to this navigation, create. So if people are trying to create the same way, so then we will not get any error because I know how to do setup and all. So, but if you're not doing the same way, definitely will get the error. So I need that type of practicing. So be- because so once you get the error, then definitely you know. So what is the error? So how to go and everything you have to do the root analysis and all, right? So definitely we need more errors. So we don't want any smooth project. So we need more errors so that you can build the confidence. So maybe in future if we are going to any implementation or supporting project, so users send the any issues, so definitely you can do that. So that is the one I want. So try to do more mistakes. Anyone can? Anyone from any course? Just attend the classes for tomorrow also. So which we start the our real instance setups and all. You see, okay. So we'll go each and every field. Okay. So then we can decide. Anyone can? Any questions from anyone?
I just want to check on the last time.
Can you repeat again? So I'm not.
Regarding the class timings, so how many days in weekdays or weekends and how many hours per day?
No. Sorry to say that. Sorry to say that I'm not. Audible. Can you repeat again?
No, my question is regarding the class timings. Is it audible now?
Yeah, Veda, the voice from your end, I think you are using headphones or something. From your end, the voice is not clear. Okay. Earlier it was good, but now it's totally, we can't understand.
Okay, how about now? Is it better? One moment.
Yeah. So
Hello.
yeah, please.
Yeah, it's regarding weekend classes. Weekend classes will be same 8:30 to 9:30 or any special
No. For
timing.
weekend classes, maybe different faculty there, so you can check with the training department and timings and all.
Oh, okay. And you are more into implementation, sir?
No. So that's what I'm telling. So once you become a financial consultant, so who tell? So maybe you are implementation consultant, you may be supporting consultant, or you may be and whatever. So, but I have a good experience in implementations. Okay, total I have 16 years of experience. Okay, in that I have almost 12 implementation projects I have, which is on-site and offshore.
Great, sir. Thank you.
So that's what I'm telling. So at the product only, so I can tell what are the implementation and all. So what are the real project I will show you.
Sure.
So like what are the documents and all. For example, we need to create the setup documents. So what are the document names? Okay, and everything I will tell you and I will show you also. So there is no any hidden knowledge here. So definitely I can 100% expose my knowledge. So just you can utilize that.
Sir, I have one more question, sir.
Please.
Currently, I'm an end user on R12 EBS.
Okay,
So,
fine.
can I correlate the same conceptual knowledge to this one?
No. So
Means accounting part means subject, concepts and all.
so
Is there any
my
benefit?
sincere suggestion is you are working as an end user. Okay, so maybe
Yes,
your role is very small. Maybe processing invoice or creating suppliers, something like not end to end, right? So maybe you don't know end to end product knowledge also, right?
yes, sir.
So in this case, why you are going to weekday classes? So I think you feel that this is enough, right? No, it's not like that. So just go to regular classes, not weekday. So you start from the scratch. Okay. So that is my good advantage. After that, up to you.
I didn't get so. Weekday classes means, sir, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Actually, I can. It is a suitable time for me.
That will timings and I will check with the training department, sir. Yeah, no issue.
Okay.
So, but try to attend the regular classes, sir. So, regular classes means not only we, so go to 60, 60 days class. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So, you start from, so not fast track. So, you have to go to regular track.
Means this course for may know means as a fresher also can learn through these classes, na sir?
Definitely. As a fresher, also, many people can join. Okay. Yeah.
But you're suggesting for 60 days classes. I didn't get you actually.
No, our class duration is the 60 days. That's what I'm telling.
Yes, sir. Just my doubt is this course for end users, it will be added advantage or
That's what very limited knowledge is there. So if you are working as an end user, very limited knowledge is there. So
correct,
what's
correct.
your role in the as an end user?
As a accounting specialist senior, sir.
Okay, in GL, right? So
Yes,
that
yes,
means what you will do. So maybe you are posting entries and running reports, right?
correct.
So see, only you are talking about GL. So other than GL, how many products applications are here?
Yes, multiple, sir. AP, AR, GL, fixed assets.
Yeah, again, if you're coming to GL, so we have a different contents also, right? So like
Yeah,
revaluation, translation,
yeah,
budgets. You don't know that. So that's
yeah,
what I'm telling you. So don't consult this end user experience. Leave it.
yeah. So I can continue in this batch, right, sir?
Exactly. So if you want to become a full-fledged financial consultant, you can continue regular.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anyone can. So your people are not raising any voice, which is I don't like it actually. So we need noise.
Sir, may I know the deadlines to migrate from R12 to cloud? Is there any
I think
topic?
next 10 years, I think next 10 years. Last quarter only they increased the duration. Next 10 years it will maybe end the product.
Uh,
Art.
okay. So
So
one
maybe
more
if
doubt.
they increase it, I don't know. So right now
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
telling next 10 years. Yeah.
Next 10 years. Yeah. And compared to SAP, sir, both are competitors or both are they
See,
have their own market share.
no, they have their market share, but now after Oracle Cloud came into market, so don't compare with the Pico and all.
Okay.
So that one is the past. So we can compare Artwell and Cloud Fico and sorry, SAP Fico and all. Not now.
Okay.
So just you can check it requirement in Naukri and all. So how many opportunities are there for cloud and how many opportunities are SAP? Because you can check it.
Sure, sure.
So if the opportunities are there, the Oracle is increasing many customers. Okay, so that's what many projects are implemented. Once the project is implemented, definitely they need supporting. At least they need supporting consult, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's what you have to think like that. So don't compare with any other ERP. So we're in Oracle Cloud. So anyone from any? So can I close the session today?
Yeah, Veera.
Yeah. Sure, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for thanks for day.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you.